When a wildfire strikes your community, it may seem inevitable that all is lost for your home. However, you can take steps to make it more likely that after the dust settles, yours will still be standing. In this Virtually Rick, protecting your home from wildfire. Right then, let's get virtual. Now, a burning fire needs three things: oxygen, fuel, and also heat. There's not much we can do about the oxygen, but we can do something about the fuel. That's plants. And if you have a home in an area prone to wildfire, then that's something you can control. It's called defensible space, split into two zones. Come on then. Let's take a look. And here we are in Zone 2. It's 100 feet from your home. And here's how you protect it. Starting with the trees, the spacing is actually crucial. Make sure that they are at least 10 feet apart on flat ground, or get rid of them. But also up to 3 times more distance between them on a slope to stop the fire from leaping tree to tree. The same can be said for bushes and shrubs. The larger the vegetation, the greater the space should be between them. And you should also remove tree branches that are less than 6 feet from the ground, or else the fire can use them like a ladder. Make sure that you mow the grass also to a very short height. And it's a good idea to remove things like bark, cones, dead branches, twigs and leaves. Let's move closer now to Zone 1, which is 30 feet from your house and right up to your walls. You can protect this area by making sure that you plant fire-resistant and moisture-retaining species and use fire-resistant mulches. You should also rake and remove dead leaves, dead plants, pine needles and vegetation regularly, and remove them from underneath decks and crawl spaces too. Remember to relocate any wood piles to Zone 2. That's not just fuel for your home, it's fuel for a wildfire. And so are dead branches or trees that are touching your home. Make sure you remove them too. And up here on the roof, well, you should clear out those gutters and install ember-resistant vents and spark arresters in all the chimneys. Remember the embers, they're the flying sparks that can really bring your home down. And perhaps consider re-roofing your property entirely using Class A, B or C shingles. And that's not all. You can find plenty more information, help and guidance by heading to CAL FIRE's website, readyforwildfire.org. Because the best way to beat a wildfire is to be ready for it when it comes.